Assalamu alaikum dear students. Now this is your unit number 7, linear equations and inequalities. In your previous video you have done the linear equation and the absolute value equations. Now today we have linear inequalities. So in this video we are going to getting start inequalities and going to simple rules and symbol that we use to express inequalities. So let us start. What is inequality? In algebra, we have the equation like x plus 2 is equal to 6. So it is a equal sign. So this is our equation. So if x is equal to, we will solve it, x minus 2 and x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4, but now inequalities means two things are not equal. So inequality means two things are not equal. Maybe one is greater than other, smaller than other, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So we use this symbol. This symbol is greater. This symbol is for smaller. This symbol is for greater and greater than or equal to, and this symbol is for smaller than or equal to. Now the general form of the linear inequality. So see what is the general form of the linear inequality? Ax plus b less than 0. So general form. So general form of the inequality is ax plus b is less than 0. A linear inequality in one variable x is an inequality in which the variable x occurs only to the first power. So that's why it is linear inequality, because of this sign. In equation we have the equality sign, and in equation inequality, and this is called inequation. In equation we have smaller, greater, greater than or equal to, or smaller than or equal to. After this topic, so we have some properties of the inequalities. These are the very important properties of inequality, and for solving the equations of the inequalities, so we will apply these properties in the questions. Law of trichotomy. For the law of trichotomy, let A and B belong to R. If you have two real number, then there are three possible conditions: whether A is less than B, or A is greater than B, or A is equal to B. So trichotomy property means that they at the one time you have only the one condition at a time. Maybe it is A is smaller than B, or maybe it is A is greater than B, or A is equal to B. So two conditions cannot be applied at the same time. Transitive property. Transitive property is let A, B, C belong to R. A, B, C belong to R. We have three members in the transitive property, and transitive property is A is greater than B if A is greater than B and B is greater than C. This implies that. So this is a condition. If A is greater than B and B is greater than C, so when you combine these two, so you will get A is greater than C. So the same property is if you have A is less than B and B is less than C, so this implies that A is less than C. Third property is additive Clojure property. As you see, the name additive means there must be some addition in it. So let A, B, C belong to R, if A is greater than B and C is positive, A is greater than B and you have a number C, so you will add C to the both side of the equation. This implies that A plus C is greater than B plus C. It means that when you have A greater than B, you can add any number to both sides, and the same case is A is smaller than B, you can add any number to both sides and no change in the inequality. Multiplicative property. Multiplicative property, you see we have two cases because depend upon your multiplier whether you are multiplying with the positive number or you are multiplying with the negative number. So let A, B, C belong to R. If A is greater than B and C is greater than 0. C is greater than 0 means your multiplier is positive. C is greater than 0, so when you multiply by C, so you will get AC greater than BC. So no change in the sign, and same cases if you take A is less than B and so AC is less than BC. Now if A is greater than B and C is smaller than 0. Smaller than 0 means C is negative. So when you multiply by negative, AC, your greater sign change into smaller BC. Why this has happened? For example, 3 is greater than 1. So if you multiply by any number -2, so -6 or -2. So if you multiply by -2, so -6 and -2, now see -6 is not greater than -2 because on the number line, as you go far from the 0, the value of the number is decreasing. So that's why -6 is smaller than -2. So this is a very important point in equations. Whenever you want to multiply by negative or you want to divide by negative, you have to change the sign. So this is a very important point for you. You must have to change the sign. Same case, if you have A is smaller than B, so if you multiply by negative, AC is greater than BC. So this is the multiplicative property. After these properties, now solving linear inequalities. So let's solve our question. By example 1, these examples are from your exercise. So let's start the question. 3 multiplied by, let me write first the question. For the solution, -2 into 2x plus 5 smaller than 5 into 3x minus 2. Now open the brackets by using the distributive property. 3 2s are 6x plus 3 1s are 3 minus 2 2s are 4x minus 5 2s are 10 smaller than 5 3s are 15x minus 5 2s are 10. Now 6x minus 4x, you will get 2x, 3 minus 10 minus 7 less than 15x minus 10. Before shifting the constant on the variable, always keep it in your mind. If you can solve anything on left hand side, so first solve that. That's why I am adding this 6x and minus 4, so you will get this 2x. Now we have a simple inequality. So shift variable to this side. 2x minus 15x is less than minus 10 plus 7. 2x minus 15, always place a sign of a greater number. Minus 13x minus 10 plus 7 is minus 3. Now apply the multiplicative property, second law. When you multiply by minus 1 to both sides, you have to change the sign. So multiplying both sides by negative 1, 13x is greater than 3. So I am multiplying both sides by negative and also changing the sign. So change the sign. So do not forget to change the sign. Dividing both sides by 3, 13. This is now 3 over 13. So now x is greater than 3 over 13. Now the solution set. Solution set is equal to, we write this solution set in a set builder form, x such that x is greater than 3 over 13. So 3 over 13, any value which is greater than 3 by 13 is the solution of this equation. Now let's do one more question from your exercise to clear your concept. This is an example from your exercise. Solve the equation 2 whole 2 by 3 x plus 2 by 3 5x minus 4 greater than minus 1 by 3 8x plus 7. This is also a class 9 and this is your exercise 7.3. So let's have a solution. This is a mixed number, 2 whole 2 by 3. So first you have to change the mixed form into a simple fraction. 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. So in a first step, I am changing mixed form into common plus. Now I am multiplying 2 by 3 with 5. No need to multiply, I think you can, but we can directly take the LCM. Minus 1 by 3 8x plus 7. Now we have the denominator 3. So multiplying both sides by the LCM 3. So when I multiply by 3, 3 and 3 cancel. I have 8x plus 2, 5x minus 4 greater than minus 8x plus 7. So this becomes simple and your denominator is removed. So 8x plus 5 2s are 10x minus 4 2s are 8 greater than minus 8x minus 7. Now add 10 and 8, 18x minus 8 greater than minus 8x minus 7. Now shift minus 8x to this side. 18x plus 8x greater than minus 7 plus 8. 18 plus 8 is 26x greater than 1. Dividing both sides by 26, x is greater than 1 by 26. So our solution set is, again we are writing in set builder form, simple x such that x is greater than 1 by 26. So all the values which is greater than 1 by 26 is the solution of the inequation. So let's have one more question, which is a double inequality. Now this is your question number 2 of the exercise. This is your question number 2. Solve the inequations 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1 less than 4x plus 17. Now see, the given inequality is a double inequality because it is a double inequality and represents two separate inequations. So very easy. Let me first write the question. 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1 less than 4x plus 17. Now see, first I will take this part and then I will take this part. So I will solve it separately. So in the first case, now I am taking 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. Or in the second case, I am taking 2x plus 1 less than 4x plus